Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah and today we're gonna be doing a get ready with me. So I don't really do many get ready with me's on my channel, but I thought it would be fun to do today because I actually really like to do my makeup. And I always get compliments and questions about what I use for my makeup routine because I kind of do the same thing every day and it just seems to be a hit. So I was like, why not do a little get ready with me? Anyways, enough rambling. If you all want to see what I did for my hair, makeup, outfit, and my perfume, then just keep on watching. So first I'm going to use this Merit complexion stick. This is in the shade Buff. And I don't really like to wear like foundation that much, and this is like a lightweight skin stick. It literally just looks like my skin but better. And then I use the Merit skin stick in Amber because this is like just a little bit light, so I just put the darker shade on top and mix it all together. And then for my under eyes, I'm going to use the Becca under eye brightening corrector. I like tried to paint my nails about an hour ago and I did such a bad job. This is like criminal. Instead of using my fingers, I'm going to use this brush. This is actually a contour brush from Real Techniques, but I like the way it blends out my cream products. I love using the skin stick because look, it just looks like my skin is nice, but I don't have like that foundation look. I'm going to be trying out some new brow products. I got like a lot of different brow products from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Brows Tinted Brow Gel. Let me see this. Okay, yeah. It's not really like a gel though. It kind of feels like a powder. And I do like how small the applicator is. I got a new style of lashes about like 2 weeks ago. This is I got a volume set, and at first it looked like spiders on my eye, but I like the way it looks now, like 2 weeks later. So I think I'm gonna keep getting it even though it's more expensive. It lasts longer and they look like better. Brows are done. Next I'm gonna use a little bit of concealer. This is my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows. My makeup routine literally takes me like 10 minutes, so if this video is 4 minutes long, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna use this contour brush again to blend out my concealer. I've been liking brushes more than beauty blenders lately just cause like it just looks better. I feel like beauty blenders take off all my makeup, and then when I use a brush it looks like more flawless. And then I'm gonna finish up on my face now. I'm gonna use this same concealer for under my eye. I kind of just use the Becca little thing as a corrector. For my blush, I like to use cream blushes, especially in the summer. It just makes my skin look more dewy. I love to go for like a more dewy makeup look anyway. So I really love Glossier. I'm using their Cloud Paint in the shade Storm. It's just like the perfect rosy colored blush. And then I use a brush again. This is the Real Techniques buffing brush. I'm pretty sure this is intended for foundation, but I like to use it to do my cream blush because I don't like touching my makeup with my fingers. I'm gonna blend out my under eye again because it creased just a little bit, and then I'm gonna put my powder. I just use a little bit of this J-Cat powder that I get from the hair store, just like a banana powder. And I'm only putting that like around my nose and then under my eye because I want to keep the dewiness going. I do have to set my concealer on my eyebrow. Other than that, where that skin stick was, that can stay dewy. Next is a step that I never ever skip. This is bronzer. I'm using the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in Ipanema Sun. And this is a pretty good bronzer. I do kind of prefer my Black Radiance palette, but this is just what's in front of me. I freaking love bronzer. I feel like it just makes me look like, I don't know, I just, like, look at my forehead right now. I've been outside, that's what it's giving. I'm of course gonna put that on my nose. And then whatever is left on my brush, I always like to put it on my eyelids as eyeshadow. So I put my bronzer like that and drag it out. Boom. So for my highlighter, I'm using my Glossier Halo Scope in the shade Topaz, and this is basically just like a sort of bronzy, glossy color. It looks like golden sweat. Whenever I wear this, I get compliments about how healthy my skin looks, and it's this. A little dewiness. For my lips, I'm wearing my favorite lip gloss ever. This is the Dior Lip Glow Oil in Rosewood. This shade specifically is my favorite. I heard that they recently came out with a mahogany color, which I want to get. But this color. I like to have my makeup look like my skin but better, but like still like I have on makeup. And this is kind of what I do for the everyday. I need to do some body care real quick, so let's hop into that. So for my body care, I'm gonna use this Johnson's Skin Nourish Vanilla Oats body lotion, and this kind of just smells like vanilla yogurt, and this pairs well with a lot of my perfume, so I like to use this body lotion. I can't raise my arms like past this point because I did a workout yesterday. I got like a personal training session and they made me work on my arms, and I'm in so much pain. I never do my arms. I don't lift weights. I just like do cardio. But they were like, oh, your arms have more fat than lean mass, so maybe you should like look into some arm workouts. I was like, oh my god. Okay, so I did arm workouts. Don't have brand new when I walk around with muscles, with guns. I'm just lotioning my legs right now, and I'm not wearing pants. Like, I just come on here in a t-shirt and then I'm just sitting here. So once I put on my shorts, I can give like the full outfit. Okay, so I'm gonna come back when I'm fully clothed and we can pick out my perfume. Okay, so out of all of these, I actually don't know like which scent I want to wear. These are the ones that I keep on heavy rotation, so I really love all of them the same. I recently got this one, and this is Gentle Fluidity Gold from MFK, and this is from Twisted Lily. It smells amazing, but I actually think I'm gonna go with my favorite, which is Killian Princess. It's like a marshmallowy green tea scent. Just go on my wrist. Actually, I'm not even gonna pretend. I'm an oversprayer. So outfit of the day. My top is from Blushmark. It was like $5, and then my jeans are, well, these aren't jeans, they're shorts. They are from Zara. My jewelry, this necklace was from 1035 Jewelry, as well as my name necklace. And then this is from a boutique that I can't remember the name of. Anyways, that is all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you want more Get Ready With Me's, because I actually really like doing them because I just like to talk about a bunch of nothing. Anyways, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!